and today we are going to unbox a classic steel tip Accudart dartboard. So this is the front of the box. It is an official size of 18 inches. It's self-healing and has a staple-free bullseye. Now, this product was not sent to me by Accudart. We actually ordered this ourselves as we wanted it. Classic dartboard. The back of the box basically describes a bit more of that same information. The staple-free bullseye, the official size, and self-healing. So let's cut our little tape here and see what comes inside of this. So inside we get, that's it for the box. So we have our dartboard. It's sealed in some nice plastic. They include a couple of little mounts and screws to mount the dartboard. And then there is even, oh wow, feels so nice. Nice and new. It's never had a dart thrown on it. There it is. I can say the edges are like a flat. The back of it just looks like wood. And of course, well, you know what a dartboard looks like on the front. So they also include a little warranty pamphlet and a little Accudart pamphlet as well. So essentially this is everything that comes inside of this Accudart classic dartboard. As you see, you do not get any darts with this. And as a reminder, for this type of dartboard, you will need steel tipped darts. That's why it says here at the top, steel tipped. So make sure whichever darts you order with this dartboard are steel tipped. That'll do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.